Hello po, good day. Palito na po yung inyong order for the Nintendo DSi XL maroon variant natin. On na natin yung unit. Napakita ko lang din yung charging ng ating unit. So just between these two lights, magkakaroon po ng orange light once you plug in your charger. Ayan po. So this indicates that our unit is charging. Napakita ko lang din yung ating mga buttons. By the way, this order is going to Sampaloc, Metro Manila. So our LR button, ayan. And then our ABXY, directional buttons natin, select start, and yung ating touchscreen. Now for your order, this actually has over 3,000 to around 4,000 games na naka-install. To load your games, open lang natin yung ROMs folder. And then for the games we have here for different genre, like we have for Game Boy, Game Boy Advance, Game Gear, Nintendo DS, NES, SNES. So marami na po kayo mga games na pwede ninyong pagpilian. For example, for our Nintendo DS, our games are sorted alphabetically. Ayan. So nandito yung mga games natin like Mario, Animal Crossing, Zelda, Pokemon, and marami pa pong iba. So let's open our P2R na folder. So hindi po siya kasya sa isang page. You just need to click on the R button sa likod to go to the next page. So we are still currently at P, letter P. And then nasa R na po tayo. And then to go back naman yung L button naman po sa likod. Ayan. So let's open one game na parating hinahanap. One of the Pokemon games. Now I'll be sending also separate photos ng mga other inclusions dito sa inyong package sa ating chat. Wait na lang din natin na mag-load ang ating game. Ayan. So, okay na po yung inyong order. Bali, papack na lang din namin ito. Then, wait na lang namin yung courier for pick-up. Pa-wait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app. Thank you po and happy gaming!